this is B. Example B is limit of 2x squared plus 3 over 3x squared plus 1 when x approaches to infinity. So what we're going to do, I know 2, I'm not going to try it again, so I'm going to just show it. 2 times infinity squared makes infinity plus 3 makes infinity. So it's going to be infinity on top, and then 3 times infinity squared, which is infinity plus 1, still is infinity. So infinity over infinity, that's undefined, which is we have to do some other way. For now, so what we're going to do, we don't care what is the numerator is. We look at the bottom, the denominator of your fraction, and then you pick the highest power of your x. I see the x is a square, so I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by power of the highest power of your x's on denominator, on top and bottom. So you said 2x squared divided by x squared plus 3 divided by x squared, 3x squared divided by x squared plus 1 divided by x squared when x approaches to infinity. Alright, this is cancel, so the answer is limit. So that's going to be 2 plus 3 over x squared over x approaches to infinity over 3 plus 1 over x squared. Now I'm going to put limit. So you say 2, I'm going to put for the x is equal infinity, so it's going to be 3 over infinity squared over 3 plus 1 over infinity squared. So one more time, 3 divided by big number is almost, because we are doing limit, so it's approximately, almost is 0. So 2 plus 0, and then that's going to be 3 plus 0, which is, the answer is going to be 2 over 3. So what we learned from here, when the power of numerator is same as denominator, all we have to do, divide the coefficient of the numerator by coefficient of the denominator. So I'm going to do coefficient of the numerator is 2 divided by coefficient of denominator, which is 3. So I'm going to write the answer is 2 over 3. So I don't have to do any of those work. So, and that's all. Okay, I'm going to erase one more time. Okay, let's assume the power of numerator is what is less, which is 0. Same, it's going to be 2 over 3. The last one is, what happens if the power of numerator is like 2x, let's use same equation, same fraction, and but except change the power over 3x squared plus 1 when x approaches to infinity. Okay, so again, I'm not going to do it again. So the answer is going to be what? 2 times infinity plus 3, so it's going to be infinity. And this is 3 times infinity plus 1 is going to be infinity. So infinity over infinity is undefined. So what we're going to do about it? So divide the highest power of denominator. I don't care this is what it is. We don't look at the numerator at all, because that's not our problem. Is look at the bottom. So the bottom is x, highest power of x in here is 2, so you divide it by x squared. So I'm going to say limit. So 2x squared, x cubed, I'm sorry, divided by x squared plus 3 over x squared over 3x squared divided by x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. So when x approaches to infinity, okay, one more time, limit, when x approaches to infinity, the top is going to be 2x, and then this one is plus 3 divided by x squared, and then the bottom is 3 plus 1 over x squared. Okay, I can do one more. here I can say put a limit in to say 2 times infinity plus 3 divided by infinity square, which is just infinity. Okay, over 3 plus 1 over infinity square, which is infinity. So anyway, final answer is going to be what? That's 0. Is that right? That's a 0, because 3 divided by infinity is almost 0. 2 times infinity still is infinity, and that's going to be what? 0 plus 3. So big number divided by 3 is almost infinity. So what we learn is if the power of numerator is less than denominator is 0, if the power of numerator is same as denominator is going to be the coefficients, and then if the power of numerator is less than denominator, is the answer is going to be infinity. So I'm going to erase this and I'm going to put equal infinity. And that's it for these two. Can you please stop the tape and do this, like limit of let's say 1 over x plus 2 something when x approaches to infinity. And example A. B, if limit of let's say x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 when x approaches to infinity. And C, limit of let's give a coefficient for fun of it. Let's put 2 in here, and then this is 1 minus x cubed divided by x plus 2 when x approaches to infinity. Okay, stop and try to do it by yourself. Okay, I hope you get the answer now. So the answer of this one, because this is less than this one, is the answer is 0. This is the exponent of this one is 1, exponent of this one is 1. We don't care about these two, so all we have to divide the coefficient, so it's going to be 2. Okay, in here they trick us, you see, 1 minus x squared. So when I put infinity, this compared to this one is going to be what? This is nothing, that's nothing. So this divided by this, so it's going to be limit x squared. So, and when x approaches to infinity, by the way, minus. So final answer is going to be negative infinity. So can you please do some more example from your book and get some more complicated, and but the theory is really, that's all it is. Thank you.